Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my vlog. It's 4th of July right now. That's why I'm wearing my 4th of July shirt. So today we're going to be lighting some fireworks. Here we have my dad. He's got a firework. Dad?
Nobody cares.
Oh, there it is. Classic dad. Let's just jump into it. There we have Rylan right there with the morning glory. And then we have Brennan with the slightly smaller morning glory. Wow.
Okay, what are we doing in that?
Whoa! We're in a war zone. Oh, wait for it. Super sick.
That hurt.
That's definitely me when the pizza rolls are ready. And you like the fireworks?
Look at you come over.
Mom, you like the fireworks? You love them. Dad, do you like the fireworks?
Nobody cares.
What's it called?
Purple poison.
It's called purple poison. My guess, it's like dark blue, like almost purple, but not quite. Oh my gosh.
I jammed.
Hide behind this chair.
We should have called that one Snoop Dogg because it was so smoky. Spinning one. Guys, if you smash like at this moment right now, I will light this off. But you have to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Dad, what do we gotta do?
Cares.
Brennan?
Nobody cares. Well, I'm not dangerously close. Well, I'm like in the firework right now.
Oh yeah, spinny firework. Oh, whoa. I got tricked, it's a seizure firework. Guys, smash like if you think that was an epic firework. Smash that like button if you love fireworks just like me.
Smash it?
Yeah, smash like.
Oh no. It's a seizure one.
Epic time. Whoa. I lit this one myself.
Oh Lord, Kenny. Play reverse, Kenny. Oh Lord.
Good. Guys, if you like that one, make sure you like the video to get more content like this. Whoa, that one jumped. Look at Brennan over there. He's having a blast. Jeez. Oh, they got the volcano one over there. Guys, don't forget to comment what your favorite firework has been so far. I will be replying to all comments, so make sure you leave a comment. Tell me, what's your favorite firework? Smash like if you're watching this video so I can prove my mom wrong. Guys, let's get to 20 likes, guys. Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, there we go. Lick that one on his hand. Okay, guys, we got the Junior Cuckoo. I have that one, and we got the Cuckoo. It's gonna be some epic. It's gonna be some epic.
Alright.
Oh, epic father-son firework team up.
Is it?
Let's go for it, everyone. The Junior Cuckoo.
Not very
Father,
loud.
son, team up. Aw, yeah. Satan's box. Satan's box.
Do this one
Satan's
next.
box.
One, two, three more.
No, we don't know if we're gonna do the grand finale until everyone smashes like, subscribe, and comment your favorite firework. Like, share, subscribe to share this with everyone you know, or I will come to your house and do it for you. Ooh.
Can you see?
It looks like a horror movie with that. With them blinking. Guys, I want you to smash like if you've seen Stranger Things or you're going to watch Stranger Things. Smash like 3 times because it's season 3. So smash that like button.
Can I say
Hardcore.
something to the audience?
Yeah. Dad, you want to say something?
Hey guys.
He just threw my phone. That's all he did. He didn't say anything. He just threw my phone. Look at that.
Whoa! Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Whoa!
I don't like that.
Awesome.
Go.
Double grand finales, everyone. Double grand finales. Just for you guys, because you smashed like. And if you didn't smash like, close the video right now. You don't deserve it.
Oh, what's happening, dear?
Mom, guess what? Mom, guess what? Everyone smashed like. Look, everyone smashed like.
That wasn't cool.
What?
Why is it lighting without me?
Because they were lighting theirs and we want to do it at the same time.
Weird.
Well, everyone smashed like, so I had to do
It
it.
literally just started. So. And commented. And if you didn't do that, please.
What did you rate that one on a scale
Hold
of
it.
1 to 10?
That's like a
Hold it.
2.5.
2.5. Rylan, rate that one on a scale of 1 to 10.
5.
That was
Okay, 5. Alright, gamers, that was a pretty exciting 4th of July. Now, what's the best way to spend it, the end of it, with root beer float? Alright, guys, I'll see you next video where we run through a car wash. Not in a car, we just run through one. So don't forget to subscribe for that video. Alright, guys, see y'all on the flip side.